All right, it's still July 2nd, 21 at CIW. I just did the vegetation drive-through, and now I checked out this one soiling sensor that had a bird dropping on it, and you can see it's gone now, and it was just a little white powder around the close to the center and right over underneath where my finger is. And all I had to do was just pat it with like a tissue, just barely pat it, and the bird dropping went away. It's slightly cleaner underneath where the bird dropping was, but it still has some dust on it, similar to what these solar panels have. So I let monitoring know, so I think it's sort of calibrated now. What the soiling sensor says is what we can believe the modules have. When one bird dropping goes right onto the lens of the soiling sensor, then it looks like there's more soiling. And I also cleaned 2 POA sensors and 1 GHI sensor at the transformer pad. So that's the day.